Was that a shot at
fucking
me,
die
Irish?
for. Wait, who?
What
Wait,
the fuck?
wait, are you telling me someone's shooting at the Irish, not the other way around for once?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, that was below the
Jesus
belt. Oh
Christ.
my!
In a few days, you'll be American.
Oh, you're an idiot, you're an idiot, you're an idiot.
Did you go flying? Please say you went
Hello,
flying.
Matt.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't
Damn
really
it.
hit me.
I turned into you, did 2
Jesus,
damage to
Archie.
myself, but I was hoping I'd make you fly off the road.
Archie, could you take, like, wider turns? You nearly clipped me in the process.
Oh,
I
sorry.
have to turn here.
Have you tried setting your beard on fire?
Oh my
No.
god.
B-beard.
I'd rather not, bruh.
Well, in the immortal words of Papa Palpatine, do it.
Papa Palpatine.
Do it.
Oh, Archie!
What?
It works.
I nearly crashed into you. I was going 35 down here, and you just pulled out in front of me.
Yes, isn't that
That's
what we're supposed to
Pulled
do?
out.
And maybe
I mean,
he just
that is
pulled
true.
out. Hello, Matt.
I mean, he
Hi,
pulled
Matt.
out in the wrong sense.
Oh, my
Aw.
god. In the wrong sense?
Oh!
Oh God!
Hello.
I just repaired my truck.
Who's in the car in front of me?
I saved it, guys. I saved it.
Who's in the car in front of me? And who's going to fucking pull in front of me? The breast.
Punch it.
Punch it, Chewie.
Block at their own bitches. Block at their own bitches.
Oh my god.
Come on, pedals, work.
I'm just trying to do a Milan to Milan.
Sorry, I'll escort you.
Ah!
Here we
Oh,
go
God.
again.
Oh god.
You ate! You idiot,
Mamma mia.
Archie!
Here we go again.
Archie! How's your Milan to Milan going, Archie?
How did I get no damage from that?
I don't
You
know.
fell
but
off. Hello.
What do you mean, Archie?
We both went left and then we both went
Yeah,
right.
oh! No,
Yeah,
that was
it's
some
your
Fast and
fault because
Furious
you're on
level
the
shit
wrong
right
side,
there.
you Jippo.
Yes, because William pushed me off the road.
Because
I
both
didn't.
of you are Jippos.
So we're going to Zurich.
Or you're going to Munich.
I can't remember the name. I think it's.
Hello.
Munich.
Munich.
Oh,
Well, we're going up the road. Well, we're going via
What?
Innsbruck.
What has just happened behind me?
I got
Jerry
in
rammed.
the arse.
Jerry
Right.
rammed into Archie, and then I rammed into Jerry, making you two fly.
Oh god.
Pre-warning,
God.
guys.
Where the fuck did
Pre-warning,
he come
guys.
from?
Before you get excited, I lag a bit, so you allow it and like get in the other lane, basically.
Where
Tap,
the hell
tap,
did
tap.
he come from?
I don't know, is he even with us?
No. He just appeared out of nowhere.
Stop trying to overtake me. We need to turn here. Jesus.
Okay, Archie, please say you have that.
Yeah, I did.
This is.
Fucking like.
You did what in the caravan?
I said I don't
Ah,
enjoy getting rammed up the arse by Jippos.
Oh, shit.
That's very weird.
that sounds fun. Where do I sign up?
Archie, Archie, I forgot the length of my trailer. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I forgot I was towing a trailer.
I forgot
no,
it was
no
so
damage.
long.
You blithering idiot.
I forgot I was towing a trailer. I drove in front of Archie. Because I'm so much faster than his lorry, I thought I was running light. Because I literally just zoomed right past him, so I thought, okay, I'll pull in front of him now. It's all safe. Smash with the back of my trailer right.
I'm trying.
And there goes my engine again. Come on, engine. Come on. Come on, you
Accelerate.
bastard.
I'm
It
gonna
gets
knock you off
flattered.
in a second.
I'll slow
I'm
down.
I am literally driving by the sat nav right now.
Ooh.
Oh,
There we
Oh
go.
my
I can
god,
see.
what the fuck?
you where did you go, Will?
I think I lagged out. What? Have I completely gone for you?
Yeah, I think
Don't get that close to
you were
me.
kicked because
I
you
think
tried.
I was
Downhill bit here, lads. You'll get some speed up.
81% damage.
81, really? I don't think that's drivable.
I am.
Oh. Lang, actually, I'll just
39.
warn you now, if I go over, just keep your eyes open. I haven't fallen over.
So I only have 2 damage on my trailer.
Oh shit, this
14
is gonna be
damage on my
fun.
front.
Why?
Where is
Because
everyone?
they've only got 2 pedals.
Jerry, me and
God.
Will are at the
Oh,
fuel
this is
It's not
station
gonna end well, is it?
just before the
Never does with
96
us.
on the Squiggly Road.
You're going side by side.
Careful, Langer. I don't want to see you flying off the
Oh, you're
mountain
still
above me.
quite far back.
I already
Actually-
did.
Actually,
I
wonder if you
already
could.
did. I
You're just above
couldn't.
Innsbruck.
Trust me, I can't.
We're about level with Innsbruck.
Oh
Wait.
god, I need to bloody slow down. There's a curve.
Oh,
If you're at the last station, fuel station before the 96, you're above Innsbruck.
No. We're at the last fuel. We're at the last fuel station
The last
on the
chance
Squiggly
to-
Road.
oh, how did I keep on my wheels there?
You see it? That one.
Gonna need to brake massively.
Where are you, Lucas?
Who needs
not a clue. On a road somewhere.
You just driving.
Man, on a road somewhere, bro.
Fucking toll booths.
Oh, I'm directly under the Earth's sun now.
There you go.
Wait, what?
I
Have
fucked
it
up.
then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. Reload. On GTS2.
But that means Jerry's now at the back.
Oh,
Well, those
Yes.
are
Right.
fucking
Oh, this is going to end
awful
well. I think I
coloured
misjudged this.
wheels.
Oh.
For the last 10 minutes, I've been fucking cooking Indian, so.
You are Indian.
Oh god, that was.
Don't ask.
Langer, you just accidentally pushed me off the road. I just went
That's
flying.
what I thought, because you've been trying to get in front of me all the way down these fucking hills.
Uh-oh.
That's why I've been
that's
going
not
so
gone
quickly.
You know
well.
the
You
funny
know.
thing is, Will.
I was basically just bunny hopping along the outside the road.
It's all gone wrong.
The funny thing is I'm in a Renault.
It's all gone horribly wrong.
That's the best bit as well.
Okay,
Yep.
I definitely just went on 2 wheels again and somehow survived.
Yes, you
Because
did. Watch out.
Because I
Just
actually-
watch out
I
ahead.
fell on-
There's a hairpin. Watch
I
out.
fell on my. I know. I'm already on. I fell on my side earlier. I'm not doing 60 miles to the gallon. You fuck on this thing, you nonce. But like, have you just thought?
I warned you.
He's in a ditch.
Watch out. Archie, look out.
Cock.
Yeah,
Too
I
long
am.
road.
Don't worry, you're ready.
Oh, thank God it's
What is going on?
That's not gone well.
Duckman's off the road.
I can't.
How? Where are you guys? Hang on.
Archie,
Are you
can you
on the?
please? Can you please take a photo of that?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
Rrr.
Get out of my lane then! Don't pull in front of me, you banger!
Oh god. Nothing happened.
Guys, there's no one coming the other way up this road, is there?
No, but there's
Hopefully
soon
not,
about to
apart
be.
from.
I'll come the other way up.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
I just got taken out.
Fuck's sake.
Well, we can solve that with a bit of cheese.
And fire.
And,
Jesus
and
shit.
potentially
I'm
bedroom
sorry,
poison.
what?
Munich.
Your car.
This is
Blackberry
just
Lager.
I wouldn't really call them donuts.
It's a bit
Blackberry
hard.
lager?
The trailer starts hitting the fucking up.
Blow your load and hit the road.
I'll lower you.
Axles away.
Are there? Is the horn broken or something? Fuck.
Oh shit!
Where's Big Dastardly?
Everything's fine.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm gonna lose
People
you
need
if
to
you
be-
go.
Oh, okay.
People need to be worried. Me and Jerry are leading.
You lot,
Not
can you actually stop at the next fuel station? Because I'm running out of fuel and I'm gonna get lost.
That sounds like a you kind of
Station.
I
Yeah,
knew.
Early in the morning. Black 5 is a storming. What the fuck is that?
Your mum's
Black
a
Five.
vagina.
Oh god, what happened up there?
Scotsman is a massive money pit.
Langer,
Yes.
I had a look at
And
the
what happened?
highlights. 10 out of 10 would tickle your pickle.
You were
Right.
running out of fuel.
Wait. What's happened?
Duckman's on his side and Morris is in the middle.
What the fuck?
And that's nothing to do with us as well.
What?
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 And that's nothing to do with us as well.
because you've crashed out.
Well, this is a sharp corner.
Okay, the traffic
right.
light on Truckers MP are ridiculous.
Oh god. Of course that was gonna happen.
That's your fault.
From a fucking, I'm gonna wait for the boys.
You're gonna wait for Jerry.
There's a convoy on the hill, I'm scared.
Show him those.
It's really
I'm trying to get away from it.
Guys, I think there's a toll booth or some description of a toll booth that isn't
Yes,
actually.
there is a toll booth. Am I about to beat you?
Yeah. Oh my god! Well, there's Jerry.
Yeah, I even
Oh
got
my god! What? Can you get up some speed and ram his like wheels, basically?
Look, I'm doing this whole thing in reverse. You think I can get speed?
No, I'm saying, no, don't do it in reverse. Oh my god! Right? Could you ram the Shangwagon?
Shagan
Like
wagon.
full speed. Yes, the Shagan wagon
I will
at
ram
full
that
speed.
Shagan wagon.
My name is John Stag.
In full speed and like 10. Sorry. As
None
much
of my
speed as
wheels
you
are around at this point. This is fucking hilarious. There's nothing I can do anymore. No, you
need
have to
more
hit me from
speed
the other
than that.
side. You have to hit me from the other side because there's two metal beams that are stopping me from moving that angle.
I
I
can do
rest
that.
my
You
case.
need to go onto the other side of the board.
Beep, beep, beep.
Well,
If you disconnect from your trailers and come from the other side, you could probably slam me out of your mess.
We can't.
Me.
We can't. We can't. We can't. We
You
can't.
can't pay the toll, can you?
I've
Eric,
tried.
yeah, I don't
We
have enough.
can't.
Jerry, quickly looking
The
for
fucking
me.
guy's just staring at me, just like, oh no, he's not even there, doesn't exist.
Jerry,
They
you
would
need
be
to get
staring
Oh,
at
for
me.
God's sake,
Oh,
that's the
I
second
nearly
time.
did, I did something.
I'm in Berlin.
Oh,
Hurry up.
well done.
We fucking.
Fuck off, Harry.
I smashed into fucking what's his fucking.
Harry,
dickhead.
are you alright?
Times.
Your pirate ship can eat a bag of dicks. Your
pirate ship
can go
can
and
eat
eat
a
a bag
giant
of
bag of
dicks.
Oh no, I'm sorry. You should fucking come here. Are you alright? Can you get out?
I might be able to.
Why did you go into that toll?
What the fuck is going on behind me?
I don't want to
What is going on behind
You
us,
went
by
through
the
the toll and
way?
I slapped.
Jerry, just fucking spawn at Poznan for fuck's sake.
No, fuck you. I'm gonna make it.
Go back. Let's head back to Berlin. You're faster than me. I thought I was helping you by slamming you.
Artelos,
That's what
Dominator,
she said.
Berlin is
You're always
Berlin.
helping by slamming us.
Yard. I won again.
Yep.
We're a blast.
No. 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 No.
Is he gone yet?
Baby.
No. No.
Still got up.
No. No. Who is recording this first of all?
Oh, yes,
Archie, are you? I'm done. Why aren't we going via the death road now?
Because
Somebody's lost.
Because I don't fucking know.
Oh my god, Archie.
oh my god, that was spot.
So we're going back to Berlin. Alright.
What did Archie just do?
I ran over
But
Jerry.
he's touched me civilly.
So
No,
we
that
decided.
was me.
So in his memory, right?
Oh,
Oh, it was you. I thought it was
Yeah.
Doc.
Archie died a while back, so we're doing it in his memory.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is my ghost speaking.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to Cologne.
Who's fucking driving the truck then? Dog?
Ghost trucker.
Yvette is shit because
Yeah.
yes,
I'm
made
at
it
the
shit.
roundabout in Poznan.
Oh yeah. No. Alex, come back on the A2.
No, it's not in real life.
William, you just on my screen you hit Jerry and Jerry just vanished through the floor.
Which one is the A?
Jerry hit me.
Jerry, where you going? You're
Hold
on.
on.
You're going. Yeah, but Lucas,
Oh, wait.
you just missed the turn in.
Hold on, let me just do a 3-point turn.
Right in front of. Yeah, right in front of Archie.
Spear.
What did you just say?
I'm not repeating it because people are listening now.
Oh.
Jerry, please tell me.
I will send it to you in a private message.
Oh, sweet. Cheers.
You have to send it to me as a private message as well.
Oh,
And
God.
me.
Sending what to a private message?
Don't worry about
I'm running out
sake.
of fucking fuel. Could we please stop here, please?
What did you just do?
Oh, God.
What did I do, William? Tell Crusader what I
William,
did.
you idiot!
Oh, I was nowhere near you.
You just...
What the fuck?
Are you gonna tell
Archie,
him?
how has this
No,
happened
William,
then?
are you going to tell Crusader what I did?
Archie, this way.
Yeah, he said he was 16 earlier.
We might have-
alright. Let's
Oh, that
stop
was-
the bickering, please.
I was
trying to figure out who. Oh, Stuart.
We're all at the
Could you
top.
go behind Harry and park up behind him? Because I wanted to keep this line, but
There's not really enough room for a line in this particular car park.
I wish this guy in front of me would stop drifting all over the place. It's kind of scaring me.
I do. I tell you the truth though, I'm surprised this Iveco can pull this unit.
what are you eating?
Please don't fucking ram me, dude. Fucking hell.
Hello.
Oh, thank God. The one psychopath bypassed.
Ow, there's barriers there.
Do you see what I mean?
Can I just
Yes,
say,
you do.
I feel really sorry for you guys, because your, like, tourist rallies and stuff basically just reopened. And
What?
not closed.
I
Again.
ain't going there.
Archie?
I don't know what I've done.
Oh, I'm not even gonna
What
watch it.
have you done? Tell me right now.
I think I'm being eaten by the floor.
Archie,
Americans, but yeah.
Oh, God!
I haven't fucked up nearly as
take a
many times as I
screenshot,
have
just
done in the
take
What the
past.
fuck?
Their convoy.
Take a
Yeah,
screenshot
boy.
of this.
The speed of the Iveco! The power of the Iveco!
I'm actually having engine
Wait, are you guys playing
get
your
off
Truck
of my
Simulator?
lane!
Yeah.
Euro Truck multiplayer.
Yeah, I'm trying to...
Which is
Truckers
You're
ain't
pushing me into the barrier!
Oh my god.
Jerry,
Wait, are you at a stop or something?
God, you idiot.
Jerry, ow! Ow!
Oh
You
my
idiot.
Jesus.
I got that in the wind mirror.
What did I just say?
Well, that was
I
fun.
don't know, that was Jerry who did that, not me. You cannot
No,
blame me
what
for
did
that
I
one.
just say about your overtaking me and pushing me into a barrier?
Oh,
Okay, I see what you guys are driving on. Jesus
That's
Christ.
that's a 90-degree corner.
I drifted.
Yes!
Oh, I found the corner.
I see. On my other laptop, I've got like a video of Death Road on Truck Simulator going.
Yeah,
I
that's what we're
see
driving
what
down.
you guys are driving on. Jesus.
So
We're
far,
not even driving on. We're not driving on. We're in simulation 2. And
You wait till Archie.
So
Just ram him. You know you want to do that.
I think I'm actually just gonna delete the song that was on my queue because I'm pretty sure it was much further ahead. But
Problem is, I
Probably
have
just-
2 freezer
okay.
units, and I don't actually, because it's dark, I don't know exactly how long the freezer units are. Because I went for the longest freezer units and the most active
my
I
God.
possibly could.
You like sunflowers, Archie?
Nah, it's fucking. It's fine.
So I'm going, hey, why don't you just load a save so you can just continue?
Jerry!
Hang on.
My laptop is turned left.
Fuck's sake, Archie.
What did Archie just do?
do you
Oh,
have?
sorry, I forgot. I didn't realize you guys could hear the music. I'm
Oh
sorry.
my God, Jesus Christ.
Lucky last starburst, give me luck.
No. Just
This
no.
guy behind me is so fucking pissed off. Just keeps shouting at me now.
I mean, Jerry, should we really piss them off and block the road with our trailers?
Oh man, you're really pissed off. No, he's getting annoyed now, he's overtaken.
Can't overtake
I've
him,
crashed
it's
twice
like-
now.
I'm stuck the wrong side of the barrier.
William, come up beside me and we'll stop at the train bit. You know the train bit?
You mean the level crossing?
Yeah, but William doesn't know what level crossing is from him.
I do know what a level crossing is, you idiot.
Oh, it's here, it's here, it's here.
Down. You don't know what a level crossing is.
I do.
We'll just pretend level crossing's down for us.
Oh god,
God.
Yeah, that's what you get for trying to overtake me, you dick.
Right, cruise control on at...
Man, shut up, mate. You're a fucking bar.
And then... I don't actually think cruise control works at 6 miles an hour.
No, it doesn't. You have to be going 20.
I'm pretty sure the people want to ban you now.
Yeah, they do.
Probably. But we are a bunch of dicks like that. Right. Jerry!
Alright,
Died.
I was... Yeah, fine.
Here comes the
How
train.
fast are you going, Jerry?
37 kilometers an hour.
Oh god. I've done something bad.
There was a fucking caravan plowed into me, and he pulled out in front of 2 trucks.
Oh no.
The best bit was they're trying to report me for blocking. Jerry, they said he's got a damaged engine and a boat.
William, can you go?
I could.
Oh god.
The left side is the correct
Oh,
side.
shit,
The
speed
right
camera.
side is the wrong side.
Carrie's blocking you.
How the hell do I make profit after this?
We invented the mobile channel. What did you guys just do?
Yeah.
Somebody came to the out the other side of the tunnel, and they just like they went sideways and they just flipped.
That was me.
Funniest shit.
I thought
Wait, I'm trying. Hang on a minute. I'm trying on one.
handbrake turn.
It was Archie. Right. Archie.
Oh, that was funny.
Oh god, I've never done anything like that in this game before.
Archie, now you know how I feel when Jerry hits into me.
Jerry, now you're on. Jerry.
No, I'm in the right side of the road.
Alright, let's get some repairs. Then I'll log back in. Oh,
for
sweet.
God's sake, Archie.
50,000 worth of repairs.
78 miles to go.
I would say
There's
this
just
is...
a button that allows me to reconnect, or do I have to log out and back in?
Jerry, where are you going?
Plymouth.
Oh, fucking twat!
Oh, for God's sake, you two.
I hit the wall. Sorry.
You two are properly wedged now. Archie, you're gonna have to try and back out.
Hang on. Well, I can get out. I'm out.
God's sake, good God, Archie.
Sorry, I get more stupid as I get tireder.
As we all do. I'm in a queue. Offline. There we go.
What are you two doing? You're just having a fucking
Wait,
argument.
And that did 25 damage.
I did 7 damage to my trailer and that's it.
I'm meant to do.
Well, he sort of did. He yelled at me because I mentioned the desert rat.
Oh, okay. Fuck no.
Something happened.
Oh, I've never done an emergency stop so quick in my life.
What happened? Did he flip?
Crusader flipped in the middle of the road, then Jerry stopped so fast, he then flipped. I then came around the corner and just saw 2 flipped vehicles, and I thought, oh shit.
Yeah, I deliberately did that, lol.
Smart.
Put it this way, boys.
Are you able to flip the vehicle around? Ghost mode.
Yeah, it's Coon mode.
I've done over 10,000 miles in this Iveco now.
Yeah, but Jerry, we've got to go to that one place. I know exactly where we go. Follow me.
I've done 10,083 miles in an Iveco.
Oh wait, hang on. I need to repair. Wait.
I've done 10,083 miles now in this Iveco. Yeah, 5 we ended up with. We started out with 12. That's not as bad as other days.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say that's more than the first truck sim.
Well, judging as I've now got 91% damage and my engine's running as sweet as ever, I also don't think that it does any.
Good.
Changes the statistics of how damaged you are. Apart from that, it slows you down a bit. I expect they're working on a limited area.
Yeah. Alright.
Nah, London's always this small. Oh my god. Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. How do you do a sick handbrake turn?
Hold space bar.
Uh-oh.
Space bar last turn.
Captain Fire! Don't flip it out.
I'm guessing you've got.
Flip it out.
You'd have to see if I could repair it again. I don't think I will.
Basically, all I can hear is some weird electronic piano, almost. I've closed Discord, I've left and rejoined, I don't know what's going on.